Most people use AI like a browser tab. Ask question, copy answer, repeat. That is not where the real value is. On this channel, we build AI systems that do real work. AI agent, MCP tools, OpenClaw workflows, automation, local setups, production rules, safety checks, real demos, real code, real mistakes. I am Dr. Ibrar Ahmed. I have spent decades building database and backend systems, and now I'm showing how AI changes the way serious builders work. This channel is for developers, founders, engineers, and technical people who want more than AI hype. Start with the OpenClaw crash course. Then watch the AI agent workflow videos. You will learn how to install, connect tools, build useful agents, and avoid the dangerous shortcuts everyone pretends are fine. Subscribe if you want practical AI, not recycled news. Build AI that works. Start here, OpenClaw crash course. Subscribe for practical AI systems.